Hey, so in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock individual cells. So first what we need to do is we need to select the whole sheet. We're going to go right click and then we're going to go format cells. And then we're going to go on click locked because everything is locked as a default. So press OK. The next step what we're going to do is we're going to select the cells that we want to lock. We're going to right click on these and then we're going to go back to format cells and we're going to click locked and press OK. The next step what we're going to do is we're going to go to protect sheet up the top and then we're going to leave these, as you can see, the settings here. So select locked cells, select unlocked cells and press OK. And what this is going to do is just lock your cells here. So for example, we can type in here and that changes the number. But if we want to type in here, we get this error message to say that your chart is protected or your cells are protected. So that's how we lock individual cells.